Welcome back to Advanced CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going how to design a surface mesh in SolidWorks. Here we are learn composite curve, linear circular pattern. I hope like it. So let's get started. Choose here file new. Select here file. I will sketch top plane. Sketch. Select here line. Midpoint line. I will draw one vertical line. Select. Make sure construction geometry. Now let it start to define. 100 mm. Enter. Select. Simply exit. Now I will sketch front plane. Sketch. Select here line, midpoint line, origin to vertical. Make sure vertical relation. Select construction geometry. Define 100 mm. Enter. Now exit. Now I will make some plane. Go to reference geometry. Plane. First reference. Top plane 50 mm distance. Hit enter. Same top reference top plane. Select find plane. Again I will create plane. Reference plane. Front plane 50 mm distance. Same way plane. Front plane. Flip direction 50 mm. Select plane. First reference top plane distance 7.5 mm. Hit enter. Select reference top plane. Flip direction 7.5 mm. Select plane. First reference front plane distance 7.5 mm. Plane. Reference plane, front plane, flip direction 7.5 mm. Now create all plane. Hide all plane. Go to plane 1 sketch. Draw center line, midpoint line. Select. Draw center point arc. Select. Let me define. Radius 7.5 mm. Select. Simply exit. Plane 2 sketch. Go to convert entities. Convert. Select sketch. Exit sketch. I will sketch plane 3. Select midpoint line. Vertical. Choose here center point arc. Select. Define 7.5 mm radius. Exit. Plane 4 sketch. Convert this line. Exit sketch. Plane 5 sketch. Draw center line, midpoint line. Again choose here to here. Let's define 50 mm radius by default. Simply exit. Plane 6 sketch. Go to convert. Select sketch. Convert. Exit sketch. Plane 7 sketch. Choose here center point arc. Select here. This drawing fully defined. Select plane 8 sketch. Convert. Select line. Convert this line. Simply exit. Go to picture tab. Composite curve. Select line. All line composite. See? Same tricks apply. This line, all line select, composite curve. Go to picture tab, sweep boss base, select composite curve, circular profile, 0.70, hit enter, select. Again, circular profile, 0.70. Hit enter. Show all sketches. Go to right plane, sketch. Choose here 3-point arc. Here to here. Define radius 50 mm. Hit enter. Select this point, select this line, make pairs relation. Remove tangent relation. Same, make pairs, remove tangent. Exit sketch. Go to sweep boss base, circular profile, 0.70 mm. Option, unmatched result. Select. Background white. Option, document for white is miss quality. High. Go to circular pattern. Select direction. Equal spacing. 34 pattern. Select body. Flip direction. See. Select. Go to mirror. Body mirror. Select all body. Mirror plane. Top plane. Looks nice. Go to circular pattern. Show origin. Select direction. Body. Select this body. Reverse. 180 degree 34 pattern. Okay. Go to mirror. Open body file. Select one. Hold shift key last one. Mirror plane. Front plane. I will combine all body. Select all body. Add. See. Make one body. Now base model is now ready. Go to material tab. Wheel fly. Metal. Polish steel. Body. Thanks for watching.